What is the best dApps on Solana to get a return on your USDC and USDT? So this is Flexlend and their Twitter, Flexlend. The website's flexlend.fi. When you go to Flexlend, if we have a look at lending, we can see we have got 5 dApps on the Solana blockchain and they are each offering a return on $USDC. You can go and put in your $USDC and it will be routed into the one which is paying the most amount at that time. And then every hour, if another one's paying more, it will route to another one. As an example, it may go into Camino and then maybe there is a spike with Solend. And it goes into Solend. Maybe a day later gives you more. So you are always getting the most amount of interest on your $USDC. They have other tokens as well. But $USDC and $USDT, these are the best. They also have points left. This allows you to get twice as many points, but you lose any $USDC yield. If you pop into Discord, there are plenty more things that are keen to bring on at present. These are only requests. But insurance, debit card, fiat on and off ramp, those things could be coming in the future. So go check out Flexlend. Thanks for watching.